I am at the Gore Creek trailhead right now. It's part of the Eagle's Nest Wilderness. I'm hiking to Gore Lake, which is about 14 miles round trip. But we are literally at a race against the sun right now, so we're gonna hike about 4 miles into a camp spot, and then tomorrow hike another 3 miles to get to the lake. Then we're gonna chill at the lake. I'm with my roommate and Calvin. I'm super hyped, and I'm really excited to show you guys this spot. It's gonna be absolutely gorgeous, so let's go. A little bit less than 2 miles from the campsite. It's a little bit past 7. Sun's going down here, so gonna get to the campsite, set up, and get a good night's sleep before tomorrow. Tomorrow's the real trek, so I can't see with the sun. We are at our campsite. It's pretty dark, so I'm not able to get too much footage, so setting up tent, and then yeah, gonna get headed to the lake tomorrow. Alrighty, camp is set up. We got here just as the sun was officially set, so I can't really get too much footage with the darkness, but yeah, we're gonna get up tomorrow and head to the lake. See you in the morning. I also just can't wait for the sun to come up because that'll be a game changer. Okay, we are up and early. Got up around 6. It's barely 7, probably not even 7 yet. Sun is not fully out, so a little bit of a chilly morning, but we had some breakfast, headed up to the lake. It is Calvin's 4th birthday today, so we're gonna be spending it at an alpine lake. I'm super excited about a 2.5 mile hike today, and yeah, then we'll be there. It's all uphill though, so it's gonna be brutal. Whew. We are almost to the lake where we'll set up camp. Came by a few hikers and they said there was a lot of mountain goat, a lot of people up there apparently, but absolutely just gorgeous views right now. Super excited to get up here and just relax for the rest of the day. Hey Calvin, wanna go to the park later? Yeah. All right, you're good. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Good boy. As you can see, we made it to the lake, found a great camping spot, gonna set up camp. It's literally only like 8:30, 9 a.m. So we've got an entire day to explore, just walk around the lake, hang out, set up a hammock, read, yeah. What?
We need to put some sunscreen on too.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna take some of that from you. here, buddy. There is a decent amount of people up here, but I mean, it's so spaced out.
Yeah. It's also like fun times.
I'm trying to tire Calvin out, because every time he sees a mountain goat, he wants to hurt it. So I'm trying to keep him away from that. So we're trying to tire him out. I've been running him around, letting him run in the lake. It's a gorgeous day out. We still got a lot of daylight left, so I'm just gonna relax today, hang out, and yeah. Hey, Calvin, wanna go to the park? Good boy.
The only way you can tire him out, eh?
I know. Yep. Change of events. Calvin got hurt, so we are rushing back the 6.5 miles today. Not gonna be able to camp out to get him to the vet. So it doesn't look too serious, but not something I want to leave overnight. So I'll keep you guys updated. What's up, guys? We are back home. It's been a few days since that trip. I had to rush Calvin back. My adrenaline was pumping, so I didn't film anything more. He's okay. He's healing well. He did have a little bit of an accident. Let this be a message to keep your dog on a leash. I had him on a leash almost the entire time, and then the second I didn't have him on a leash when I was just chilling, he ran after a mountain goat, and well, the mountain goat got a horn in him. Wasn't too deep, wasn't too bad. It's healing okay, but obviously that was really scary, and it's not the mountain goat's fault. It's completely my fault for not keeping him leashed the whole time. I mean, he's literally a herding dog, so he sees a goat and his instincts just pop in, and I should have been more cognizant of that. Super sad we didn't get to spend the night there, but I will go back. It's only an 1.5-hour drive from where I live, so can easily do it again, but it's a brutal hike, so I gotta give a little bit of time in between there. Also, carry a first aid kit. I wouldn't really have been able to help Calvin out much because it was higher up and you couldn't really wrap it. But it's just good to have in general. I didn't have one, and that is on me, so just something for me to know for the future. I appreciate you guys watching this video. Kind of stinks that it had such a bad ending, but either way, I'm super excited to get out there again. We are not done backpacking for the summer. Calvin might be, but I am not. We got a few more trips planned, so make sure you guys like and subscribe, and I'll see you next video.